Hey everyone, today I'm doing a quick comparison between these two, what they're calling bathroom cleaners, but I'm actually using it as a scum cleaner, scum fighting cleaner. This one by Method, which is supposed to be biodegradable, a little bit of a cleaner solution. And this one by the Scrubbing Bubbles brand, which may be harsher, even though it says no harsh smells. They both have this spray spout. And what I'm going to do is actually use it on this here. This is a dirty mat holder for my sponges when I do dishes. It needs to be cleaned and rid of its grime. So I'm actually, because this left side is a little bit dirtier, I'm going to spray, you'll see right here, I'm going to spray half and half with both of these, and hopefully we'll see a result after letting it sit for 15 minutes or so, which one worked better. And this guy, Scrubbing Bubbles. All right, so now that this mat has been sitting for about 15 to 20 minutes, I put on gloves because I don't want to touch this highly potentially acidic solution. I also have a scrubber, and I'm going to go in and just clean it to see which one maybe works more on both sides. They may actually equally remove the grime, but I really want to see kind of the after result as well. I wonder if pressure points matter in getting the grime out, but you know what, so far I think this side is looking a little whiter than this side. Okay, then I'm going to rinse the mat and take a look at what it looks like after. Okay, and take a look now. Now, I do think that after seeing the results, the Scrubbing Bubbles cleaner was a little bit stronger in getting out that grime. I will double check, but I have a feeling that the Scrubbing Bubbles brand has a little bit harsher chemicals because the Method one, again, is supposed to be biodegradable with plant-based cleaning power. So yeah, pretty close, but one technically works better than the other. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.